Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Celeste from Sheila's Creation. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this corner to corner stitch, and we are doing a scarf. But before I forgot, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get updated all my tutorials. So now if you are ready, let's get started. But before that, here are some of the materials that we need. But if you want any size of yarn and hook, is also working on this project. Okay, now let's grab our hook and our yarn, and then leave a length of 5 to 6 inches. And now make a slip knot, then make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, and put your finger on the third chain. 4, 5, and 6. Now yarn over, then insert your hook on the fourth chain, which is on your finger, and do 1 double crochet, and then make another 2 double crochet. So now we have 3 double crochet plus 3 chain. We have 4 all together here. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're gonna increase our stitch right here. Make a chain of 3, then put your finger on the third chain plus another 3 chain, in total of 6. And now make a double crochet on the next 3 chains. Now we have 3, and then the last chain we have 4 double crochet. This is look like, and then on your left side you need to turn your work, then make a slip stitch in between those 3 and 4 double crochet. So it looks like this, like a triangle. Make a chain of 3, then in the space make 3 double crochet. So now we have 2 plus 3 chain, we have 3, then the last one 4. So every time we make this, we always have 4 double crochet. Now we're gonna increase our stitches. Make a chain of 3, put your finger on the third chain, then another 3 chain, and then make 3 double crochet on the next 3 stitches. So this is how we are going to make an increased stitches in our corner to corner project. Then turn again on your left hand your work and make a slip stitch in between those 3 and 4 double crochet. Make a chain of 3, and then 3 more double crochet on those space, in total of 4 double crochet. Now we have 3 and 4. Then go to the next block in between those 3 and 4 double crochet, make a slip stitch, and then chain of 3. And now make another 3 double crochet, in total of 4 double crochet in each block. So we are going to repeat this pattern until we get 8 blocks. Okay, so make a chain of 3, put your finger on the third chain, plus another 3 chain. Then make double crochet. The reason why I want you to put your finger on the third chain, then you don't need to count your stitches before you make a double crochet. So I think that's much more easier to do for a beginner. And then turn your work. Always turn your work on the left hand. Then make a chain of 3, double crochet 3 times again. So we have 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we're gonna repeat. Make a slip stitch, 4 double crochet, make a slip stitch, 4 double crochet. To continue this, for now we have 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna continue making these increasing stitches until we get to 8 blocks. So now we have 3, 6, then make 3 double crochet on the next 3 stitches. So we have 3 and 4. Then turn your work on your left hand and make a slip stitch in between third and fourth double crochet. Keep making this, repeating 3 chain, double crochet 3 times to make 1 complete block, and we continue until we make 8 blocks. Now we have 8 blocks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time we gonna increase our work on the left side, and then we gonna decrease our work from the right side. Now we increase for this moment, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet. Now we have 3 and 4. Then don't forget, turn your work, make a slip stitch in between third and fourth double crochet. Make a chain of 3, 3 double crochet to complete 1 block. So we have 3 and 4. And then make a slip stitch on the next block, chain of 3, and then 3 double crochet. Continue until we finish at the end. Now we are here in the corner where we can do a decrease. We have 8 blocks. If we finish here, what we're gonna do is make a slip stitch right here, and then make a chain of 1. We are not making increase. All we do here is to decrease. Make a chain of 1, turn your work, skip 1 chain, and make 3 slip stitch on the next 3 chain. So we have 4 slip stitch, 3, and the last stitches is on between 3 and 4 double crochet. And then before we continue, make a chain of 1, 2, and 3, and we are going to put the stitch marker here. So we're gonna put a stitch marker here, and this stitch marker, it means that we're gonna do an increase on the other side. Sorry, decrease on the stitch marker and increase without stitch marker. So we have 3 and 4. Then make a slip stitch, continue until you get to the last block of our work, and I'm gonna see you there. Once you reach here in the block, you still have 8 blocks right here. Even though we make a decrease, but we're gonna do an increase on the other side. So now, as you can see, we have 8 blocks, and then to make a decrease pattern here, insert your hook in between 3 to 4 double crochet, make a chain of 1, turn your work, then make a slip stitch on the next 4 chain. So we have 3 and 4. Then make a chain of 3, but before that, don't forget to move your stitch marker. Then you won't forget that on this side you are going to make a decrease stitches. Then continue your work right here, make a chain of 3, double crochet on the space 3 times, 2 and 3. Then make a slip stitch on the next block, then chain a 3, continue until you get to the last block of your work. And on the left side, don't forget you need to increase, and on the right side, which is you have a stitch marker, you make to decrease. Then continue making this pattern until you get the right length or amount of your project. So now I am already here on the amount that I need. So what I'm going to do here is to make a decrease pattern on each side. So this is my left side, and on the stitch marker is on my right side. Now I need to decrease to complete our project. So make a chain of 1, turn your work, make the same pattern, make a slip stitch 4 times. Now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make a chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3. But before that, we are going to make our stitch marker here, or put a stitch marker. Then you won't forget that you need to do a decrease stitches right here. At the same time, while you make decreasing, you can end on the other side to make a square or a rectangle here to complete your project. So keep going, make a chain of 3, 3 double crochet and slip stitch. So now we have 4, make a slip stitch on the next block, make a chain of 3, then 3 double crochet. So we have 2, 3 and 4. Keep repeating this until we meet on the other side, on this side. Okay, once we finish, we can see that you have a square at the end. So keep going to make a decrease stitches, make a slip stitch, then chain 1, Don't forget to take your stitch marker, chain 1, turn your work, and then slip stitch to the next 4 chain. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And don't forget to put it back, use stitch marker. Now put it back, your stitch marker on the last chain right here. Then continue making your blocks. Continue. As long as you decrease your stitches, your blocks is also decreasing. Okay, keep continue, and I see you at the end. So now we are making a decrease stitches here. Make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the last block that we are going to make. Make a chain of 3 and 3 double crochet. So we have 2, 3, and 4. And the last one, we are going to make a slip stitch in this corner. Then make a chain of 1, turn your work, and finish your slip stitch right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you are done with your corner to corner stitch in our scarf. So cut the yarn and secure your work, and now your project is ready to use. I hope you guys enjoying making this corner to corner stitch on our project scarf. I hope that you won't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and get updated all my videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.